Assalamu alaikum, Sajjad from BoardEX.
I will show you how to connect your laptop to the BoardEX panel wirelessly.
This is the dashboard of BoardEX panel. On the cashier application dashboard, you can see which network is connected. Download the cashier application from Google and install it on your laptop.
After installation, make sure both devices are connected to the same network. Open the software. On the dashboard, you will see the panel number. Select the correct panel and click on the connect option. A new window will open with three options. One is click casting. One click cast is there. Select this option if you want to cast your screen directly. Second, window extending. Choose this option if you want to extend your screen. Then last final option is there, remote cast. Select this option if you want to use your device as a remote control. If you have any doubt, please contact BoardEX support department. After your use, simply close the application window. Thank you.